In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use LetzAI v2 to generate beautiful images and train your own models. The central feature of the landing page is the prompt field. There's a little gear icon next to the Generate Image button. Clicking it opens the settings panel. Next to the dimensions, there are two sliders. The quality slider enhances the image's sharpness. The creativity slider adjusts the model's adherence to the prompt, useful for generating more chaotic results, similar to Midjourney's chaos parameter. Down here, we can see the community feed, which shows the generations that the community has published. Clicking on an image opens a detailed view, showing the used prompt and models. You can copy the prompt directly to your clipboard by clicking on Copy Prompt, or you can regenerate the image in a new tab with the Regenerate button. Shout out to Marco for his amazing motion blur model. If we click on the three dots here, we can copy the link to share this image, open it in full resolution, and report an image or model. Apart from the generation feed, you can also explore the community models. This See All Models button takes you to a library of custom models. Here, models can be sorted by popularity, recent additions, alphabetically, or to only show the ones we created ourselves. We can see the model handle, who it was created by, and the number of images that have been generated with it. If we want to use a model from here, we can click on it to get to its page, which will show related images and allow us to use it right away with the Try This AI Model button. To create your own model in LetzAI, you can click the Train AI Model panel down here. When creating a model, you can choose between making your model public to make it accessible for other users, or private, in which case only you can see and use it. Let's select Everybody and Continue. Confirm that you have the necessary rights to create this public model. Then choose a model name. Make sure to use a related and memorable model name and that it's spelled correctly. As an example, I will use a data set of my co-founder, Mish Strotz, and call it Mish_test. Now we need to define the model subject. We can choose between a person, an object, or a style. Now we need to add types, which guide our model to better understand its subject. We can choose simple types like man or Caucasian. Types describe elements in our models that we want to be consistent. For this example, I'll use three types: man, 35 years old, Caucasian. Choosing the right types has a huge impact on your output quality, so make sure to choose them wisely. You can always come back and change them if you're not happy with the results. Uploading high-quality images is crucial for training. Aim for high-quality, diverse backgrounds and angles. Avoid blurry images with small subjects or similar backgrounds. Once we drag in our images, we'll see them being uploaded. If the number you see here doesn't match the number of images you uploaded, they are in an unsupported format. If you stick to JPEGs and PNGs, you should not have any issues here. After uploading the images, we can start the model training, which typically takes about 15 minutes. Once the model has finished training, you'll need to activate it to be able to use it. You can activate your model through the link in the confirmation email, or directly activate your model via your profile. If you click on your username in the top right corner, you can go to your profile to manage your images, your models, and you can edit your profile. Before activating our model, let's have a quick look at our profile. Below, we can see all our generated images and directly regenerate, publish, and unpublish, or delete them. Next to the image button, you can go to your models. Here we can retrain, publish, and unpublish, or delete our models. Once a model has finished training, you can review your types and click Finish and Activate to activate the model. Once the model is ready, you also have the option to block your model so it cannot be used for adult content or violent content using these two buttons. Don't forget to save your changes and click on the logo in the top left to get back to the main page. Now we're ready for the fun part. Once your model is activated, you can use it by typing the @ symbol followed by your model name. To use an object or style model, we can type our prompt and specify, in the style of @Julie W Design Blue Filter. The image is set to private by default, but we can publish here to add it to the feed and show it to the community. If you don't like the results you get with your model, there are two things you can do. Double check your types in the model settings. If your male character is always too old, try adding a type like 30 years old. Alternatively, you can always go back to your model page and scroll down to Optimize Model, where you can add new images and delete low-quality images that mess up the results. That's it for today. Now go have fun with V2. Until next time.